Hi there. Got something I want to show you. So it turns out that winter this year in Oregon isn't really winter. It's going to be 60 degrees next week. It's been kind of warm in the garage, which is my giant walk-in cooler. And, well, oh my god, it looks great. So anyway, it's getting ready to go in the oven, and I'm going to put the olive oil and salt, and I'm trying something different. Reconstituting dried onions with water and a little bit of olive oil put on top, kind of like you would get from your onion hamburger buns. Oh, I gotta tell you, I'm so excited. Anyway, I'll tell you all about it in a little while, but that's focaccia.